What's up, guys? We got an interesting little shakedown here. This is a little development that just kind of happened. Next door, they got a C8, and we just dynoed it. However, we got our buddy Ben, who helps us out here from time to time, and we really appreciate his help. He's got a pretty sick V3. Now, guys, this is bone stock, but it's still an LT4 supercharged 640 wheel horse or 640 horsepower. It is a beast. Now we're gonna take this versus that C8. Okay, I cannot wait to see what this thing's gonna do. So this is supposed to be what, like 1150? Yeah, maybe like 120 something. 124, 125.
Dang, that's a nice tractor.
Georgie,
Sorry.
focus. Ben is awaiting some mods, and we might just up the ante. You know, this might grow into like a serious rivalry too. Yeah, okay. We got some headers on order. Yep. We got you built a cold air for it, and we got the pulley already, right?
Flex fuel.
And a flex fuel. So, dude, this guy's ready to roll. This thing's about to pick up probably between 70 to 120, depending on how much we push it. But that C8 right there. Let's see how this really shakes out. Let's go take a look at that C8 in a minute here.
We'll see.
All right, fellas, we are at Showtime Speedway here in Clearwater, Florida, and it is an awesome, awesome track. My dad had been racing back here in the 60s. This place has got a lot of history, and it's a pretty awesome track. They got a lot of different events. Come check them out sometime. Showtime Speedway, Clearwater, Florida. All right, so what do you say? First victim?
So,
Woo!
I'll get him from a dig, but I think he'll get us from the top end.
All right, guys, this is Kyle, and he is absolutely the man in the fact that he is modding this thing and pushing this thing so early. You've had this car for 3 days.
3 days.
That's so awesome. So, Kyle, get a follow on Instagram here, man. So tell these guys your Instagram again.
Instagram, that's _Hellboy.
Hell yeah, man. This car is so sick. If you guys haven't seen the video of us dynoing it and putting it through its paces on the 8th mile and the roundy round, you got to check that out. That was our previous video. This thing is truly an amazing car. I'm a really hard guy to impress, and this thing is so impressive. I think I established that this is probably, in my humble opinion, it's kind of like a Huracan without about 100 horsepower less. Look at this guy. All right, brother, so look, here, we're gonna lay this down. Go down real fast here and see what you gotta take to be at 40 right there. So we're gonna do our 40 roll starting right there, okay? Got it. Second gear was a good spot right there at 40 there. Yeah, it hit really nice. Woo! That had some heat there.
Pretty impressive.
Yeah, we can see that the track is very dirty at the moment. Now, bear in mind, fellas, here, we have a dump right here blowing erosion on every day, and we have a highway being built, dumping erosion on every day. I think he spun.
All right, buddy. That's 30. Oh no!
Good spot. Was it a spin?
No, it was hung in second gear.
Oh, okay.
Didn't upshift.
But you want to try a dig real quick?
Okay.
All right. You ready?
Let's do it.
All right, on me. Ready? Go. Woo, get them tired.
Okay.
This thing is like really showing its advantage with the weight in the rear. Like really showing.
4060, right on the money.
Yeah, dude, that had, I heard you spinning for like a couple years there. so this is our dig 2. All right, ready? Go. Oh, traction limitations. Whoa. That's really it. I mean, if you do have the traction, you maintain it. So that thing has a boatload of torque. There's no question.
Yeah.
And as we saw in the previous race, that has top end. It's just, it's hard to put down the power. I really like this matchup on the street, man. This is like a...
Now I know I can face some LT4s on the street.
Yeah. All right, so this one should settle it right here. Come up, come up. Go. Yeah, it's a good run, good run.
Wow, that was a perfect race, baby. Yeah.
And honestly, that's how I would have expected that whole thing to shake down, man. That is, but honestly, guys, a C8 Corvette versus an LT4 V3, freaking amazing. Like, it more than held its own. So guys, we got some bonus footage for you here. We just put a turbo on Georgie's truck when we hit 300,000 subscribers. This thing makes about 530 wheel, but it just works. It just does the job. So we're gonna race the V3 versus the Turbo Silverado. Okay, 35 at the cones. 35 at the cones. All right. All right, George, you got a stock torque converter, so this thing's a little bit of a dog out of the hole, but what we're gonna do is we're gonna go dig, but on our hit, the beans, Georgie. Yeah! That's a good race, George. Come on, boy! That was good, buddy.
Yeah, doggy.
All right, so that's 2-0 you. Congratulations. Dude, good all-around run, man. That was awesome. Definitely had to work for it, man. That was cool. Are you rolling?
Yep.
All right. Guys, this was a hell of a lot of fun. I cannot say enough how much I'm in love with this car. This thing is everything that I ever would have expected and more. And I mean, honestly, guys, if you've been around a CTS V3, you know they got some major cojones. These things got some monster torque, but this thing's just a baby. I mean, both these cars are bone stock, and both these guys are going to be modding the crap out of them very soon. So stay tuned for that. That's going to be a hell of a lot of fun. But, dude, I am so excited to see how both these shake down, man. So thank you so much for, just letting us do all this, man. Ben, thanks. Dude, I don't even know what to say. I'm like head over heels in love with it. I can't believe we had this much fun. So, guys, thank you so much for staying with us. God bless you. We'll see you next episode. So guys, stay tuned. We got a whole bunch of great content coming your way. We got some more smart car shenanigans, and boy, do we have a crazy build up our sleeves waiting for that. We also take our 1,000 horsepower Caprice and do some sliding around with that, and things get a little bit out of hand. Not to mention the C8 and the V3 get another showdown formally at the drag strip. Plus some extra stuff coming up. It's gonna be great. Stay tuned, see you guys soon. Guys, I almost forgot. We've been ending our episodes with a little pieces of music here and there that kind of tell you who we are and what we enjoy and who we are as people and what inspires us. So we hope that some of these are going to inspire you. So check out Sum 41 Fat Lip, as well as Brandon Heath, Give Me Your Eyes. Definitely something that should inspire you a little bit there. Hope it brightens your day. In the meantime, I'm gonna get back to building some go-karts with my sons and probably gonna go play with some puppies.
Hey, babies. Hey, little guy.